Rather than adapting a lawnmower engine for generator use, we designed our overhead valve industrial engines, OHVI, specifically for the demands that come with standby generator operation. From the moment it starts, all vital parts of the OHVI engine are instantly lubricated. The engines also have exceptional motor starting ability, are broken in right out of the box, only have to be serviced every 2 years or 200 hours, and have the longest life of any air-cooled engines in the industry. With features like these, your Generac generator will be easy to maintain and will last for years to come.